Dortech Maintenance was recently commissioned to undertake a detailed building envelope inspection of a Grade 2 listed building. The building was in close proximity to a railway station and track. Our work encompassed pre-planned drone flights, terrestrial photography, high-level inspections of the building roof parapet, and a thermal assessment. High specification photographic and thermal drones were selected to ensure as much quality data could be captured as possible. Following our survey, our client was provided with a detailed report in addition to a three-dimensional graphical flyover. To carry out this work safely, our PFCO certified team had to conduct a thorough pre-survey risk assessment that included seeking authorisation from Network Rail, British Transport Police and the building's tenants. Further assessments were carried out on local weather forecasts and local airspace usage to mitigate the chance of air incursions during the survey. Once all necessary permissions had been received, flight sequences were designed to ensure safe distances were maintained from the adjacent railway track, and the survey was conducted within Network Rail's safety parameters. 4 qualified spotters were employed to assist in managing unexpected incursions during the flights. Each was provided with a long-range communications device to ensure audible contact was maintained at all times. For all your survey and building inspection requirements, please contact Dortech Maintenance.